The fact that the sun has an orbit cannot be observed by the human eye. Right? Because the sun moving across the sky is not the orbit of the sun, that's the rotation of the earth. Okay? But the sun has a very slow orbit around the middle of the galaxy. After the Hubble telescope, we were able to figure that out. How would a man in a desert more than 1400 years ago who could not read or write know that?
If I predicted the lottery numbers 5 times in a row, and we won the lottery 5 times in a row, does that mean I'm right about everything else?
Okay. So the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, didn't just mention one thing, historic things that he could not have known, future events that he prophesied that he could not have known, physical miracles that were witnessed by eyewitnesses that are historically recorded, then scientific miracles he could not have known, mathematical miracles that he could not have come up with, and a linguistic miracle he couldn't even read or write, for him to come forward with the Quran that till today ChatGPT and AI cannot match. Putting all that together, no doubt he was a true prophet.